Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Haifanenden Andriana. I'm from A2. My student ID is 22220064. Interpretation can be defined in a nutshell as conveying understanding. Its usefulness stems from the fact that a speaker's meaning is best expressed in his or her native tongue but is best understood in the language of the listeners. Interpretation and translation are distinct activities that involve converting messages from one language to another, but they differ in their methods and requirements. A translator studies written material in one language or the source language and reproduce it in written form in another language or the target language. An interpreter listens to a spoken message in the source language and renders it orally, consecutively, or simultaneously in the target language. The translator relies mainly on thorough research with background materials and dictionaries in order to produce the most accurate and readable written translation possible. The interpreter relies mainly on the ability to get the gist of the message across to the target audience on the spot. The translator's activity is more like that of a writer, while the interpreter's performance is more like that of an actor. Pro, kenaikan harga BBM dapat meningkatkan pendapatan negara melalui penerimaan pajak yang lebih tinggi. Pendapatan ini dapat digunakan untuk menutupi hutang negara yang menumpuk dan membiayai program pembangunan yang penting. Dengan meningkatkan pendapatan negara melalui kenaikan harga BBM, pemerintah dapat mengalokasikan lebih banyak dana untuk investasi dalam infrastruktur dan sektor-sektor kunci lainnya. Hal ini dapat meningkatkan pertumbuhan ekonomi dan menciptakan lapangan kerja baru. Kenaikan harga BBM juga dapat mendorong masyarakat dan industri untuk menggunakan energi secara lebih efisien. Hal ini dapat mendorong inovasi teknologi dan pengembangan energi terbarukan sebagai alternatif yang lebih ramah lingkungan. The increase in fuel prices can increase state revenues through higher tax revenues. This revenue can be used to cover the country's accumulated debt and finance important development programs. By increasing state revenues through rising fuel prices, the government can allocate more funds for investment in infrastructure and other key sectors. This can increase economic growth and create new jobs. The increase in fuel prices can also encourage society and industry to use energy more efficiently. This can encourage technological innovation and the development of renewable energy as a more environmentally friendly alternative. Kontra, kenaikan harga BBM akan memberikan beban ekonomi kepada masyarakat, terutama bagi mereka yang berpenghasilan rendah. Hal ini akan menyebabkan peningkatan biaya transportasi, inflasi, dan berpotensi menurunkan daya beli masyarakat. Kenaikan harga BBM juga akan meningkatkan biaya produksi dan transportasi bagi sektor usaha. Hal ini dapat mengakibatkan peningkatan harga barang dan jasa, sehingga daya saing perusahaan dalam pasar domestik maupun internasional dapat terganggu. Kenaikan harga BBM dapat meningkatkan kesenjangan sosial antara masyarakat kaya dan miskin. Masyarakat kaya biasanya dapat menanggung kenaikan harga BBM dengan lebih baik. Sementara, masyarakat miskin akan terkena dampak yang lebih besar. The increase in fuel prices will place an economic burden on the people, especially those with low incomes. This will cause an increase in transportation costs, inflation, and potentially reduce people's purchasing power. The increase in fuel prices will also increase production and transportation costs for the business sector. This can result in an increase in the price of goods and services, so that the company's competitiveness in the domestic and international markets can be disrupted. The increase in fuel prices can increase the social gap between rich and poor people. Rich people are usually better able to bear rising fuel prices, while poor people will be more affected. The Global Biodiversity Assessment, based on the work of 1,500 scientific experts from all over the world, indicates that almost three times as many species became extinct from 1810 to the present, or 112 species, as between 1,000 and 600 and 1810 or 38 species. But protecting endangered species can hamper economic growth, and a 1995 Harris Opinion poll of 1,007 adults indicated that only 42% believed that government had struck the right balance between protecting the environment and protecting jobs. Once a species is gone, it is gone for good. So preserving biological diversity is more important than promoting industrial progress and creating jobs, and endangered species should be protected by law against the spread of industry and pollution, even if jobs are lost in the process. Orang lain yang berbuat salah, kita yang menanggung akibatnya. Other people who do wrong, we bear the consequences. Setiap hal atau sesuatu pasti memiliki kekurangan atau kelemahan, seperti juga dengan manusia. Everything or thing must have flaws or weaknesses, as well as humans. Idiom: an expression in the usage of a language that is peculiar to itself either grammatically, as "no, it wasn't me," or in having a meaning that cannot be deduced from the combined meanings of its elements. For example, Monday week. For the Monday a week from next Monday. Kick the bucket, meaning to die. Bite the bullet, meaning to endure a painful or difficult situation. Break a leg, meaning good luck. Simile, a figure of speech comparing two things, often introduced by as or like. For example, bureaucracies, like plants, need pruning from time to time, lest they become all branches and no blossoms. Statement by U.S. Ambassador. Her eyes sparkled like diamonds. He ran as fast as a cheetah. The water was as cold as ice. Parody: a mocking or humorous imitation of another person's speech or manner of speaking. A comedian imitating a famous politician's speech style and mannerisms for comedic effect. A satirical skit mimicking a popular TV show with exaggerated characters and dialogues. Paronomasia, a pun, a play on words usually formed by juxtaposition of two words with similar sound or spelling but different meaning. For example, time flies like an arrow. Fruit flies like a banana. I used to be a baker, but I couldn't make enough dough. Parrhesia, deliberate use of coarse or offensive language to shock. The use of coarse language in a stand-up comedy routine to shock and entertain the audience. A character in a novel using offensive language to depict their personality or attitude. Euphemism, deliberate use of a weaker expression to avoid giving offense, or to place an idea in a more positive light. For examples, daytime drama instead of soap opera. He passed away, euphemism for he died. Letting you go, euphemism for firing you from your job. Senior citizen, euphemism for elderly person. Hyperbola, extravagance, exaggeration used as a figure of speech. For example, I've told you 1,000,000 times. This suitcase weighs a ton. I'm so hungry I could eat a horse.